In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Replit project to GitHub. The first thing you need to do is go to the left side of your dashboard and click on Apps. Then choose the project you want to connect to GitHub. I'll select my crypto dashboard project as an example. At the top, in the toolbar where you see the preview section, click on the plus icon next to Tools and Files. In the search bar that appears, type Git and select the first option that says Git. Once you open it, you might see a message saying that no Git provider is configured. To fix this, click on the link that says Open Settings View. This will take you to the settings page where you can connect your GitHub account. As you can see, your GitHub account is not connected yet. To connect it, click on the button that says Connect to GitHub. This will open a new window asking you to install and authorize Replit. You can choose to give access to all repositories or select specific ones. After you make your choice, click Install and Authorize. Once the process is complete, your GitHub account will be successfully connected to your Replit project. From there, you can easily push and pull changes directly from Replit. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Replit project to GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more Replit and tech tutorials.